This is gonna be the most straightforward tutorial you've ever seen on the internet. You've probably seen this kind of horror story videos going insanely viral on TikTok and YouTube. Here's exactly how to make them. Go to the description of this video, you see a link there, click on the link. The link should take you to this page, scroll down, put in any amount you want. If you don't have money, put in $0. If you have money that you want to give me, just put in any amount. In this case, $0. Click on I want this. Put in your Gmail address. I'm just gonna use the Gmail address for one of my YouTube channels. Put in $0. Click on get. It should say your purchase is successful. You can rate the product if you want. Now go to your Gmail. You find it in your Gmail. Click on it. Click on view content and then click on this, the Google Doc. It should take you to this full prompting guide that I made. We are going to be using this prompt guide to generate our image, videos and scripts. Now go to ChatGPT, copy this first prompt, paste it on ChatGPT. It says generate X video ideas for 1 minute horror shots that mix real life conspiracy theories, unsolved mysteries and dark historical events. Now just replace the X with the number of ideas that you want. In this case, let's do 10. Click on send. Now it will generate 10 video ideas for you. Check the one that's very interesting to you and you think might go viral. Now script number 5 seems very interesting to me. So go back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt, go back to ChatGPT, paste it. It says write a 1 minute suspense script for idea number 5. We are going to replace the X with 5 and send. ChatGPT is going to create a script for us. In this case, it's adding direction, which we don't want. So just tell ChatGPT to remove the directions. It should give us a clean script. You can review this if you want, and if you don't want, you can just copy this script. Go to a voice generator. You can use any voice generator that you like. You can use 11 Labs because 11 Labs is free, but I'll be using Minimax Audio because that's what I'm used to. Now choose the voice model that you want. I like to choose something calm. I'm going to paste the script. Mind you, we didn't even review this script at all. That's how easy it is. Then click on generate. Now that we have our voiceover, just download the voiceover. Now go back to the Google Drive, copy this link and paste it on the search bar. It should take you to this tool. This tool is what we'll be using to generate the image and the video. Now you have to sign up. After you sign up with that link of mine, you should be able to get at least 40 credits to get started. Now that we are in the software, go to image, go to charts to edit. Now select Nano Banana here. Make sure you are selecting Nano Banana. Each generation costs 15 credits using Nano Banana. Now go back to the Google Doc, scroll down, you see these 2 images as reference. Download these 2 images. These 2 images will be the reference that you'll be giving the AI so they can generate something similar to these images for you to animate or to edit in your editing software. Now after you download the image, click on add new image. Add one of the image that you downloaded. Now you just need to go back to your script or listen to your audio and hear what they are saying. It's very simple. Just try to visualize what the script is saying and generate the image in the software so you can turn it into video later or just add it to your editing software that way. This is what I mean by that. This is an example. Go back to your script. The script says, did you know an entire town in France once fell asleep at the exact same time? It wasn't gas, it wasn't poison, just silence. Now we know the type of scripts we want to generate. We want to visualize and generate a script of an entire town, preferably where everybody is visible. I want to generate another script where all of them fell to the ground and fell asleep. So it's very simple. Type in, using this style of image, generate an entire town in France, people walking on the street, dark horror with a foggy atmosphere. Click on enter. Now this is perfect. Just save it by clicking this button and click on JPEG. Now this is perfect. The first image shows people standing and walking normally, and the second image shows everybody falling asleep like it says in our script. Now if you have more money or more credit to spare, you can go to the video model, click on image to video. Now select the model. The model we'll be using is Kling 2.5 because Kling is very perfect when it comes to making this kind of videos. We are going to upload the image where everybody is standing and walking normally. Now say something like people walking normally, then the fog came in and everyone fall asleep. Click on 10 seconds pro and create. You definitely have to subscribe to OpenArt in order to make videos using image, but you necessarily don't have to. You just need the images to show the visuals of what's going on. I just like to create videos from image because it's more engaging that way, and that way you can hook your audience. You can just create a video or 2 videos from these images and use it throughout the entirety of your script, and every other thing will just be images. When it's done generating, now we'll review. Now this is perfect for a video hook. We'll save the video, go to your editing software and import the video. It doesn't matter what editing software you're using. In my case, I'm using Premiere Pro. You can also edit this on your phone. It really doesn't matter what editing software you're using. Import the video and the images you just generated in your editing software and start adding everything together. It's really that simple. It's not hard. You just have to repeat the same thing. Go back to your script, check what is said in the script, generate visuals for it using the reference image, go to your editing software, paste it there, and that's all.
Did you know an entire town in France once fell asleep at the exact same time? It wasn't gas, it wasn't poison, just silence. One moment, everyone was awake. The next hundreds collapsed where they stood. People were found slumped over dinner tables, drivers asleep mid-turn. A wedding crowd, frozen in place. Bride, groom, priest, all breathing, but gone. When rescuers arrived, they said the air felt heavy, like it was humming. Animals wouldn't go near the town's edge. Phones rang endlessly inside empty houses. Hours passed. Then, just as suddenly as it began, they all woke up. No one remembered sleeping, but their clocks were all stuck at 3:17 a.m. Doctors found no trace of drugs. The government sealed the reports. Locals called it Le Jour du Silence, the Day of Silence. And every year since, at exactly 3:17 a.m., the town lights flicker, as if something still remembers putting them to sleep. Some say the town didn't wake up at all. It just started dreaming.